Hey everyone, Janet here. We ran into some problems on the last episode of The Color Office. I thought we should give those colors another try. Purple took her time mixing her paint this time. We're trying something special, the bottle bottom pour technique. Last time, I worked with yellow, green, and blue. And if you saw the finished painting, blue ended up stealing the show. She became the centerpiece. So today, I want to try that same color combination again, but with a twist. For the paint, we're using purple, yellow, blue, and green. We'll start with a smooth green base coat across the entire canvas. After coating our canvas, we place the bottle bottoms and pour our colors right over them. This technique creates beautiful floral designs on the canvas. Each color is holding her own in this clean pour. No dirty cup mixing on this project. Now for the magic, let's spin it. Watch how those flower patterns emerge from the center. I love these results. Let's hear what the colors have to say about the painting.
Okay, I see myself in there. Barely, but I see myself. Look, I brought the sunshine like I always do. That vibrant pop right in the center of the flower, that's me. Doing my job, holding my ground next to purple and blue. But I'm not going to pretend everything's perfect. Blue and I mixed and turned into that yellow-green wash across the top. And by the time it dried, I was harder to see. Still, I'll take my corner of the canvas and shine anyway.
Okay. Let's be clear about what happened here. I am the moment. I am the centerpiece. Remember? That's not me being extra. That's just recorded fact from the last painting. And I show up again, right there in the upper right, holding my shape in those clean little circles, cool and composed, while everyone else is swirling into chaos. That's strategic thinking. That's calm leadership. I didn't need to dominate the whole canvas to make an impact.
Okay, I love this. I love the mess of it. I am everywhere in this piece and nowhere all at once, which is very on brand for me. That deep plum pooling in the bottom left, soft against the canvas texture, that's me being quiet. This painting has depth. I did that.
Listen, this is a major improvement from the last painting. We all played our part, and it shows. The painting has balance. I like that. Yay, team!
Well, there you have it. The team agrees. This painting was an improvement over the last. I think there is still room for improvement. The colors lose their pop during the dry these results. But next time, I'm mixing my own pigments. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like and subscribe to see what we paint next. Stay colorful.